Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Mindful Information. And today, we're diving into the incredible world of cinnamon and why you should consider adding this spice to your daily diet. So, grab a cup of tea or coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Before we talk about the amazing benefits, let's start with a little history lesson. Cinnamon has been used for centuries and has a rich history dating back to ancient times. It is obtained from the bark of several trees in the Cinnamomum genus, which are native to various regions in Asia. There are two main types of cinnamon. These types we discuss further. Now, let's get into the good stuff, the health benefits of cinnamon. Flavor enhancement. Cinnamon is widely used as a spice to add a delightful and warm flavor to various dishes and beverages. It enhances the taste of both sweet and savory foods, making it a versatile ingredient in cooking and baking. Antioxidant properties. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce the damage caused by free radicals in the body. Antioxidants are important for overall health and may contribute to longevity. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that cinnamon may improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Anti-inflammatory effects. Cinnamon contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, so incorporating cinnamon into your diet may promote overall well-being. Heart health. Cinnamon has been associated with several heart-healthy benefits. It may help lower levels of LDL, bad cholesterol and triglycerides, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to cardiovascular health. Weight management. Cinnamon may aid in weight management by increasing feelings of fullness and satiety. This can potentially reduce overall food intake, making it a helpful addition to a weight loss or maintenance plan. Antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon has natural antimicrobial properties, which can help inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi. It has historically been used for food preservation and may help reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. Digestive health. Cinnamon can aid digestion by soothing the digestive tract and reducing the risk of gastric discomfort. It is often used in traditional herbal remedies for digestive issues. Neuroprotective effects. Some research suggests that cinnamon may have neuroprotective properties, which could be beneficial for brain health and potentially help in the prevention of neurodegenerative diseases. Mood enhancement. The pleasant aroma of cinnamon can have mood-enhancing effects. In aromatherapy, cinnamon essential oil is sometimes used to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Before you rush to add cinnamon to your diet, it's important to know that there are two main types: Ceylon and Cassia. Ceylon cinnamon is considered the true cinnamon, higher quality and has a sweeter, milder flavor. While Cassia cinnamon is more common and has higher levels of coumarin, which may be harmful in large amounts. Now that you know the incredible benefits of cinnamon, let's talk about how to incorporate it into your daily diet. Sprinkle cinnamon on your morning oatmeal, cereal, or in your coffee for a flavor kick and health boost. Blend it into your smoothies or protein shakes for a tasty twist. Use cinnamon in your baking, such as muffins, cookies, and bread. It's also a fantastic addition to savory dishes like stews and curries. In conclusion, cinnamon is not just a spice for flavor, it's a superfood with a plethora of health benefits. Adding a little cinnamon to your daily routine can go a long way in improving your overall well-being. It's important to note that while cinnamon offers these potential advantages, it should be consumed in moderation. Excessive consumption of cinnamon, especially Cassia cinnamon, may lead to adverse effects due to the presence of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large amounts. Therefore, it's a good idea to enjoy cinnamon as part of a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Thank you for joining me on this cinnamon journey today. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, remember to subscribe for more insightful videos on health and nutrition. Until next time, stay healthy and keep sprinkling that cinnamon.